Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi everybody. It's me again, Dr. Ija. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add assignment as an activities on your course page in Moodle. So as usual, you go to your course and then turn editing on and scroll down and select to the topic where you want to add assignment as an activities for the topic that you're going to teach your participants. So in my course page, I already have a topic which is adding activities, which is going to show you how we can add assignment on your course page. So I will click on add an activity or resources, and it will direct you to this page. So I'm going to choose adding activities. So under adding activities, we have assignment, chat, choice, database, so on and so forth. So I already shown you how to add forum. Now I want to show you how we can add a new assignment into our course page. Okay, so it will direct you into this page where you need to add a new assignment. And first thing first you need to do is you will need to fill in the general part of this adding a new assignment, and compulsory for you to add the assignment name. So this assignment is called assignment on inquiry-based learning. Okay. Right, so that is the title or the name of my assignment, assignment on inquiry-based learning. Next, I will add a description into this assignment. I will add, please write a simple reflection on the lecture we have discussed. Okay, please write a simple reflection on the lecture we have discussed and submit before, because today is 17 December, I will say submit tomorrow before 18 December 2020. Okay, so my instruction is that please write a simple reflection on the lecture we have discussed, okay, regarding the topic of inquiry-based learning, and submit before 18 December 2020. You can write your reflection using any tools. Yeah. Okay, you can write your reflection using any tools. Example, PowerPoint, Words, Canva, Powtoon, and etc. etc. Yeah, so it doesn't matter how my students want to write their reflections using any kind of tools. I allow them to do so. So whatever that you want your student to do under the assignment, you have to write it clearly under the description part. As usual, I would like to have it bold and large heading. Okay. And after you have done that, don't forget to click display description on course page so that your student are able to see whatever that you have written under this description. But it's actually optional for you. If you don't want your student to see on the course page, you can not show. Yeah? You are able to unclick again display description on course page, and whatever that you have written will not appear on your course page. But when your participant click on the assignment, the description will appear under the assignment name. Okay, but for my case, I prefer my students to read the description part on the course page. So I want to display the description on the course page. If you have any additional file to add, maybe you have a certain video that you want your student to critique on, so you can add the video files, the video files on this additional file, and you can add the description saying that by referring to the video that I have attached, please critique the video on the inquiry-based learning, for example. So please provide your participant with the clear instruction for them to do with whatever assignment that you give them. Okay. In this case, I'm not going to add any files. So no file is added in the additional file. Right. In the availability part, my assignment will start today on the 17th December. Time is, I'm going to start at 10 a.m. And I will give them 1 week to complete the assignment, which the due date will be on the 24th of December at 10 a.m. as well. So it's up to you what will be the date and the time for your student to submit the assignment. Okay. For the cut-off date, I don't want to have a cut-off date, so I disable them. And if you want Moodle to remind you to grade the assignment, you can allow Moodle to do that. So the reminder will be sent to your email, right? But in this case, I don't want a reminder. I can remind myself. But if you want to, you can enable remind me to grade. What would be the date for you to allow Moodle to remind you to mark the assignment, or to grade the assignment. And under availability, we have submission types. Okay. So I allow my students to submit in any tools or any forms of document or format. So in this case, I allow them to submit file submission, and maximum number of uploaded file. Usually I put it up to the maximum number, which is 20, and size upload limit, I can make it to 500 kilobyte. Okay. Up to you. You want it in a kilobyte, in a megabyte. Okay, let's say 10 megabyte. And then accepted file, no selection. I just leave it by default. And for the feedback types, okay, you can have feedback comment, annotate PDF, online grading worksheet, feedback files. You can choose feedback type, submission setting. Okay, you want your student to click the submit button? No, I don't want them to do that. Require student to accept submission statement. Also, I don't want them to get submission statement. Okay, attempts reopen? Never. I only allow them to attempt the submission once. I don't allow them to reattempt the submission. Once they have attempt, I don't allow them to attempt anymore. Group submission setting? No, it's individual work. Notification? Usually I say no. Right? Default setting for notify students? Yes. Okay, notify students that we are putting a new assignment. And this will be the grade. If you want to grade your assignment, maximum grade is up to you. Here, the default setting is 100. And it can be in the form of, if you don't want any grading, no grading. Scaled. Okay, if you choose scales, what will be the scales? Right? If in the point, right, maximum grade is 100, minimum grade is 0, so you can grade from 0 to 100. Grading method, simple direct grading. You don't have any marking guide or rubric. If you have marking guide and rubric, you can provide the rubric and marking guide. In this case, I just leave it simple direct grading. Uncategorized category, grade to pass. Let's say the maximum number of grade is 100. So grade to pass, I put it here 50. Blind marking, no blind marking. Okay, hide grader identify from student. Yes, I don't want my student to see the grade or whoever who grading the assignment. Use marking workflow. No, so Most of the things that have been set up by default in the Moodle, I just leave it like that, yeah. In the common module setting, the availability, yes, I want to show it on the course page. I don't have any restriction access. For activity completion, I disable student manually mark the activity as completed, yeah. For tag, no tagging, and for competency also no competencies are selected. So once I have done that with all the requirement needed under a new assignment, adding a new assignment, yeah, starting with the general description of the assignments, right? If you are satisfied with all the criteria, go to the bottom of your course page and save and return to course. So on your course page, what you can see now, yeah, under the topic is that I already add an assignment, and the title of the assignment is Assignment on Inquiry-Based Learning, and the participants can read the instruction for this assignment. Okay, so when I click this assignment, if the student have submitted the assignment, you will see how many participants you have and how many among the participants have submitted the assignment. And if they have submitted, how many you need to grade. Yeah, this is the due date. And if you want to grade, or if you want to view the submission, you can go to view all submission. And if you want to grade, you can start the process of grading. In this case, I cannot view or grade because none of the participants have submit the assignment yet. Yeah, but if you open it later on and you found that your participant have submitted the assignment, you can start to view the submission and also you can start grading the submission. Okay, so go back to my course page. So that is how you can add assignment on your course, yeah, as an activities for your participants to do. So in a way, you have made your course to be more interactive by having many resources and also activities. So under activities, I already explained how to add forum, and also now I already explained how to add assignments as part of your course activities. So all the best to you. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.